Welcome to Brooksville, Florida on a sunny Saturday afternoon. It is about 40 miles north of Tampa, right off of I-75. And I'm here today for something called the Junk Fest. Apparently people have brought all of their wares that they would do at vintage shops and stuff. I have no idea what I'm going to find, if I'm even going to find any treasures, but I thought it would be a fun Saturday adventure. So come along with me, shall you? I just got pixie-fied. Pixie dusted. All right, I'm about to try one of these Dragon Balls. Oh, look at this. She is good. This right here is a cute booth, but I am the killer of plants. I do not have a green thumb. Okay, well, I'm back in the car. It is extremely hot out here. It's 96 degrees now. We are going to head to a restaurant called the Florida Cracker Kitchen. It's like a southern restaurant. It's supposed to be pretty popular. It was a bust for me. I didn't find anything. There were more crafters here than there were junkers, but my brother found a really cute little mini chair. So that was cool. All right, off I go. So this place is really popular. We have a 45-minute wait. But the really cool part is that there's a tap bar next door, and they give you a ruler with a number on it, and they'll call the numbers here in the bar so that you don't have to wait in the hot sun. So we're in the air conditioning now waiting for our table. So the adventure started with a cocktail. Chicken and waffles with some country baked apple and then a shrimp omelet. I haven't had a country baked apple in years. It smells amazing. It tastes like you could put whipped cream on this and make this a dessert. It's got cinnamon and everything in it. It is so good. I'll probably make this at home. I'm gonna figure out a recipe on this. It's so good. Haven't tried the chickens and waffles yet, but it looks really, really good. So I've had chicken and I've had waffles. I don't think I've ever had chicken and waffles. So here we go. Okay, so I think they're going for like the sweet and salty, like you would for like a chocolate covered pretzel. I prefer them separately, not in one bite. So I'm gonna go and finish my meal. So the combination of dipping the really amazing waffle into that sauce of the apples is so good. You don't even need the syrup when you do that. It's really good. Classic meal here at the Florida Cracker. I'll leave the link below if you ever want to go. Okay, I am back home and I did find a tiki treasure. It's not super tiki, it's more mid-century modern, but I think I like it. I don't know if I like it in this space. Actually, I was thinking about putting it on the other side of the office. But I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you. It was at the last place that we went to. So here it is. There she is in all of her glory. And there's the pull down here, so let's turn it on. Now I think it might look better with a yellow bulb in it. Right now it's very bright in here. It doesn't fit on this desk because I have this as I got it as a gift, which I love in this space. And of course the one that I found the last time I did some tiki shopping, and that looks really good in this space. So I don't know. Well, I definitely know it's not staying here. I just need to move it, but it was a good little find. It was $25, but there was a little mark on here. She ended up getting the mark off, and so they gave me 10% off. So it was a cute little find. There's the bulb down in there. She actually never took the bulb out. That was the bulb she put in to test it out. It's the same all around. And then of course the pull at the bottom. So it was a cool find. Actually, I think eventually I'm going to be putting a little table next to this chair. I read in this chair, and I think that lamp would be good on a table like that. But until I get that table, I'm going to put it over there on my desk. So it was a great little day. Brooksville is about a 45 minute drive, depending on traffic. Coming home, it took me on a little back road before it hooked me back up to 75 coming southbound. And it took me about 40 minutes to get home. And yeah, it was a fun little day. And that was a great little restaurant. I will leave the link to that below. Also the link to some of the shops that we went to on Main Street. This shop was on Main Street in Brooksville. So thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next adventure.